Hey guys, it's Sandy. Happy first day of fall. It's the season for cozy sweaters, leggings, boots, pumpkin spice everything, and gorgeous fall-inspired nail art. Today, Miri and I will be showing you 5 easy and stunning nail designs that will help you celebrate the new season. Our first design today is inspired by the beautiful colors of fall trees. To begin, start with a creamy base color. This will add more warmth to the design than white would. Next, use a dark brown polish and a thin brush to add some squiggly lines coming out from one corner of your nail. These will be the branches of the tree. Next, choose some fall-inspired colors for the leaves. So red, orange, gold, and light brown. Use a dotting tool to add the different colored leaves all over the tree branches. Try to only overlap a few of the leaves with the branches and leave some space to the side of the tree so you can really see the shape of the tree. We're going to be finishing off all of the designs today with a matte top coat because matte nails are always so chic and fun during autumn. Next up is this pretty checkered pattern with gold metal accents. To begin, paint your nail with a jade nail polish. After that's dry, choose a dark emerald green to create the crisscross lines on a stamping plate. Don't worry if you don't own this image on a stamping plate, you can always just use a striper brush and paint them freehand. If you're stamping, you can use the reverse stamp technique to fill in every other square with light pink polish. Then just add a clear nail polish to your nail and stamp the design on it and clean it up. Again, if you chose to use the freehand route, just use a toothpick or a brush to fill in the light pink squares. To finish this design, we're going to be adding some little gold studs to the nail and finishing with a matte top coat again. I think this design would look so gorgeous as an accent nail. Now, it wouldn't be a fall nail art design without some leaves, so that's what we're doing here. Start by painting your nail with a metallic nude nail polish. Then we're gonna freehand all these little detailed leaves. I'm totally kidding. We're going to be using a vinyl to make it super easy. And guys, all the products we're using today will be linked below. So once you've pressed on the vinyl, you can choose some fall nail colors and place blobs of them together like so. Then use a toothpick to swirl them. Press your sponge in to pick up the gorgeous mix of colors and then dab it over the vinyl. Peel it off, clean up, and your nail is complete. I love the gold glitter polish used in this because it really gives the design a subtle sparkle. The fourth design uses stamping and nail decor to create this gorgeous modern design. First, we're going to begin with a jewel tone dark green nail polish. Once that's dry, you can add a light nude nail polish over your favorite stamping plate pattern. You can use whatever one you have available to you. Press it 2/3 of the way up the nail. Clean up any excess, and then add some bronze striping tape to where the pattern meets the solid color to separate them. Finally, we're adding a little nail decor piece in rose gold that is similar in style to the pattern that we stamped. Finish off with a matte top coat, and you're all done! The final design is a cute and easy way to glam up your nail. Begin with a light nude nail polish. Once that's dry, add a piece of masking tape vertically over the middle of your nail. Paint a darker nude polish onto the uncovered side of the nail, and then quickly remove the tape for a perfect line. Next, we're taking the metallic gold flakies out of this nail polish, and we're individually adding them down the middle of the nail for a shattered glass effect. And as always, finish off with a matte top coat for a chic effect. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know which of these 5 designs was your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming nail videos, and click here or here if you'd like to check out more fun videos on CutePolish. Thank you guys so much for watching, take care, and I'll see you next time!